Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to generate image and logo using AI. Let us see how to do it. Open your browser, type ChatGPT, click into the first link. Here type what is in your mind. I need a logo for my YouTube channel. Write me some prompts to generate a logo for my YouTube channel. The name of the channel Eng-Academy. The logo must contain the name of the channel. What else you need? You can give more detail. This is enough for me. Send. Wait a while. ChatGPT will give you different options. Okay. This is the first option. As it is shown, ChatGPT give us many options. Okay. I will copy the first one. Copy the prompts that ChatGPT gave. Open a new tab. Here type ideogram. Okay, ideogram. Select the first link. Here paste what you copied in ChatGPT. Control V. Here we have different specifications. For example, if you choose this one, your video will be portrait or landscape. It's up to you which one you want. You can choose it. Okay, I'll pick this one. And then click into generate. Wait a while. Here, as you can see, different logos are generated. In ChatGPT, you have different options. You can pick which one you want. After that, you can download the logo or image. Click into download. The logo will be downloaded. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and give your feedback in the comments.